Hello and welcome back to Camus Classics. Cooper here with Slothy. We have some unfortunate news that we need to share. We'll get to that in just a minute. First, we want to thank everybody who's been watching our films. Those that have shared, commented, liked, subscribed. We really appreciate it. The unfortunate news we have, though, is we are going to have to take about 6 weeks off. The reason for this is we're to a point on our truck project and our 442 project where we're running into a few issues. The first issue is usually about now we're about 20 degrees warmer, which would put us about 50, which is about the temperature we need to be able to move forward on some of those projects. In other words, we got some painting primer type stuff to do. We've got some Bondo type stuff that we need to do, and those just don't stick under about the 50 degree temperature, so we're not able to do that part. The other things that we could do, unfortunately with the supply chain issues, we're waiting on back ordered items, so we kind of got stuck at this. We have no work to do, so we have nothing to film. So we do appreciate it. We hope you'll stick with us. We do have 2 videos that we're going to have coming out. We'll have our giveaway Mustang. We're working on that. It's taking a little bit of time. Just things have to dry, and again with the temperatures a little lower, that just takes time. And with what we're trying to do with that, we need it to be dry. The other one is we're going to be going to a car show down in Hurricane, the Hurricane Easter car show. We're going to be visiting that. We're not taking a car. Currently, our trailer is buried in snow, so that's not going to happen. As well as the last show we took it to, we've found it's got a little bit of a front end issue. The Firebird does. So we've got to get that taken care of as well. So again, please stay with us. Don't unsubscribe. We will be back. We do have a few videos that we will have in the meantime. We're just not going to be able to do the 3 videos a week that we have been shooting for. And that's unfortunately what we have. We greatly appreciate you. Again, we appreciate everybody that's liked, shared, and subscribed and commented. We love it. We never thought when we started this that people would actually even watch our videos. So those of you that are, we greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.